Once my storyboard was constructed, I used this organizer in order to construct my Schoology homepage. On my main homepage, we can see that right away students are introduced to my welcome page that introduces the entire idea of my mini lesson. On the main page, we have an introduction page, the 4 days of lessons, the assessment page, and the feedback page. So when students first start out the mini lesson, they can go under Introduction, and they are given a folder about questions regarding the course, a video lesson where I describe the main ideas of the course, and then here are their 2 assignments for the introduction, where they had to post a personal video introduction, which meets Gagne's Gain Attention, and an introduction quiz, which meets Gagne's Stimulate Recall of Prior Learning. So right away, I'm meeting these 2 things. If we go to the questions about the course, this directly relates to Gagne's Provide Learner Guidance. So if students have any questions throughout the mini lesson, they can refer to this folder. And if we go into this folder, students have a discussion post where they can ask questions. They're given the class schedule, the Flipgrid discussion rubric, video tutorials for all the tools being used in the course, a Flipgrid question discussion board, and they're given the syllabus. From there, students, once they complete their introduction task, they can start going into our day 1 lesson, which is on translations. If I go down to here, each day is constructed in the same manner. So we have our instructional materials, and then there are 2 assignments for that day. So instructional materials is directly relating to Gagne's Present Stimulus material. And the reason why this material is interesting for students is because I provide them with videos, notes, and activities in order to understand translations. And it's constructed in the same way for each daily lesson. Once they review the instructional materials, students are able to go to the translation discussion through Flipgrid, so that enhances their retention and the transfer. And then they complete the translation quiz, which elicits performance, provides them with feedback, and assesses their performance. And day 2 is constructed in a similar manner, having the same type of ideas. Same thing with day 3 and day 4. The assessment, which is what completed after all the days are finished, is used to assess student performance. And finally, we have feedback that students complete. They complete that form at the end of the course. And this is how my storyboard helped me construct my Schoology page.